Hello, my name is Valentina Skipa-Shopeyko. I'm coordinator of the Urban Agenda Partnership on Innovative and Responsible Public Procurement and also chair of Eurocities Working Group on Public Procurement. The training of today is about functional specification. This training is provided by EU-funded PROCEDIN project, and this project has focus on green mobility, circular economy, and very strong focus of innovation procurement. If you're struggling to choose the right innovation procurement instrument or procedure, in that case, instrument you could use this decision making model where you can find different advices based on procurement cycle phase or stage. And you can also see in this decision making model how much effort you have to deliver for one or another instrument. So today we will go through this step-by-step guide on functional specification. And in order to make it more practice based, I would like to use a practical example kindly provided by Municipality of Gabrovo in Bulgaria. And this case is about urban electric buses for Gabrovo with the aim of the procurement to achieve sustainable and ecological urban mobility using this procurement purchase of new buses. So, step number one is when is the functional specification useful, and it's you should ask yourself, and then it's very good to think about added value for you as a public buyer, but also added value for the supplier. And the most important goal is, of course, to stimulate innovation. And Municipality of Gabrovo was aimed to focus on new transport infrastructure that should be innovative and as sustainable as possible. And step number two is make an overview of functional needs. And in this particular example, the need for new transport infrastructure, sustainability, environmental friendliness, the clean green energy using. And then in the step number three, you should formulate the specifications. So to find a good balance between requirements and latitude, you should use objective and neutral terms and make mix of functional and detailed specifications, also to describe needs of your organization, domains, and so on. The municipality of Gabrovo added a specific requirement. It's 22 batteries in order to achieve vehicle autonomy. And step number four is check specifications. For that, you would need knowledge of suppliers and providers, and you should also think about market consultation and market research that in the municipality of Gabrovo did also this market research, and they discovered that there are two technologies that could be useful for that particular procurement. It's standard batteries for vehicles and also supercapacitor batteries. And the last step is to check the solution. Mm, and in municipality of Gabrovo, they had the following requirements for the batteries: a single charging range of 250 kilometers in traffic conditions, fully charged in 5 hours, or to be able to run buses of a one-way length of minimum 20 kilometers in traffic conditions and charge of maximum 10 minutes at the end of the route. And what kind of legal framework is relevant for this legal instrument? It's a directive 2024 2014-24 EU, and in particular Article 42 and Recital 74. And as an exercise or homework in this case, try to formulate need of your organization as a technical specification, while you leaving space for creative, innovative solutions of the market. And last but not least, I would like to say thank you to consortium of EU-funded PROCEDIN project. In first place, University of Twente as a coordinator of this consortium, Pedal Consulting, F6S, Municipality of Haarlem, and Municipality of Gabrovo. Thank you very much, and hoping to see you during our next legal framework trainings, workshops, and webinars. Bye bye.